I'm Kelsey Walsh. I'm one of the neurosurgeons here at Pardee NeuroSpine Associates, and I practice spinal neurosurgery. I did medical school at the Medical University of South Carolina in Charleston, South Carolina, and then I did my residency in Jackson, Mississippi at the University of Mississippi. I provide care for all spine problems, so anything from the neck down to the lumbar spine. So I do a lot of surgeries for neck pain, low back pain, arm pain, leg pain, everything in between. And I try to focus on minimally invasive approaches and anything that can try to do, I try to aim for the smallest surgery that can give people the most relief. One of my focuses is minimally invasive spine surgery, and when I do lumbar fusions, I use a robot. What that is a neuronavigational robot that helps aid in placing hardware to make it safer, faster, and hopefully pain-free for the patient. My patient care philosophy is I try my best to be as patient-centered as possible. I think it's very important, especially in patients with chronic pain, to spend a lot of time listening to the patient and having a conversation that includes both my opinion and the patient's opinion about what the best course of action is. I place a high value on patient education and making collaborative decision making. I also think that being as conservative in a surgical approach as possible is typically the best course for the patient. I'm from a little bit of everywhere. My dad was in the Army, so I grew up moving around. I was born in Alaska, and then I've lived in most parts of the country. I ended up, like I said, in South Carolina for medical school, and then Mississippi for training. My family moved to South Carolina about 20 years ago, and my husband is a Greenville native, so we jumped at the chance to find a job that was back closer to home and in the mountains. So we were very happy when I found the opportunity to move here to Hendersonville. In my spare time, I like to run. So I have been, I was used to run 5Ks, and my brother tricked me into running a 10-mile because I misunderstood him. So I've gotten into a little bit longer distance running. And then I also like to weightlift, so that's another part of fitness that I appreciate. And then when I have lots of spare time, my husband and I really like to travel. So we try our best to see at least 2 or 3 new places every year. To schedule an appointment with me, please use the contact information in my profile.